Hello everyone. Almost afternoon in here, but today I went to the mall. Oh my god, you won't believe how crowded the mall is. It's like people is just getting ready for the snowstorm tomorrow. This is like every time we have a snowstorm in here. You can't get into the mall because people is just constantly buying stuff that I don't know. They only gonna have now 5 inches. It's supposed to be 9. Now it's only downgraded to 5 inches. So, but anyway, I just prepared because it's snowstorm. My husband want me to buy stuff for the snow to snack tomorrow to snack on while we're having a snow. So I went to grocery today just to share with you what about. So anyway, I got me a lot of detergent. I got my laundry detergent. This is what I got today for preparing this now. So in case that I have to stay home, I rather do my laundry. Okay. Next, I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna make baked pretzel tonight. So we have a snack on for Saturday. It's supposed to snow Sunday. So in case we can't go out, how about the snow is gonna be? Okay. Then I have my lemon. My lemon, I drink this every morning with my hot water. So, you know, this is my kind of like helping me with my diet. So, in case I eat a lot of a snack, so this is what I'm gonna get for me. So, I have carrots. I like eating carrots in my snack also. And also, I'm planning to make sinigang tonight just for my family because it's Friday, so it's sinigang night. So this is it. I did this carrots. Okay. Then I have my peppers for my soup. I got that today. That is my complete. And of course, I won't forget my puppy, my dog. I have to buy them some snacks. Because in case you have a bad storm tomorrow, so this is what I got for them. See, a bacon. Sometimes I mix them with rice for them and either for breakfast for my dog. So, of course, I have to buy some rice because I don't have any rice. This is what I got. Adjustment rice. So, I don't eat much rice, so this is what I got. I only make rice when Friday night with my family. Okay, that's all for now. I see. This is so crazy right now. You know, I don't know why I waited today to go shop because it's crazy out there. And I got me one tomato for my soup because I have another tomato over here, so I don't need a lot. I'm gonna make some soup. This is my requested to my family again. And of course, my husband love this. So I can't find a lemon meringue, so I have this for them. Triple chocolate pie. That's my husband. She's gonna try. She never have this before, so I hope she loved it. I asked him. So this is his snack tomorrow in case we have a snowstorm. So we are prepared. I don't have to run around in the store during the snow. Okay? So, aside from that, I got this. I got the spinach that I have to mix for my soup. Okay? And of course, I won't forget my bean that have to be for my soup. So I'm ready for that. And I got them some cookies. In case they like cookies for snack for tomorrow. They're only $1 for this. So I don't have to buy this, but they asking me for donation, so I just kinda like buy it. So you know, of course today it's a cheating day. I have to have some ice cream Friday, so I gotta have this. This is good. Yeah, this is my cheating night tonight. I have to eat some ice cream during Friday night. And of course, I have tea. I don't buy no milk because we don't drink milk here. Over here in America, especially in Pennsylvania, during the snowstorm, everybody's buying milk, everybody's buying egg. But I have egg because I have chicken over there that lay every day. That egg. So I only have tea because I drink water. I don't drink anything else, just water and lemon water. So I have my husband tea ready for the snowstorm. Then this is my snack for tomorrow and Saturday. So this is like my snack. I don't have to eat ice cream or any bread or anything. So this is what my snack. An orange. So I have a neck bone. This is what I use for my sinigang. Because I have to make sinigang tonight. This is what they request to eat some soup night. So this is what I'm gonna make the sinigang. Then along with that, I'm gonna mix it with pork chop. I'm gonna cut it in probably 4 pieces. So for my family, I have to pork chop very bad. Then I have to show you. I have sweet potato. I'm gonna mix me some sweet potato French fry. So if I have nothing to do this Sunday, I can make some sweet potato French fry. And I bought 2 of them. Right there. So just this snowstorm along, I Redners, I spend probably $25. And boyers, I went to 3 different stores because some of them doesn't have what I need. So I went to Walmart and I spent $9 in Walmart, or almost $10. And of course the boyers. I went to my boyers and I spent $32 over there. So I won't forget to tell you that preparing for snowstorm tomorrow, in case we have no power, I will have my different kind of flashlight. I have flashlight. This is how you prepare sometime, and I have a lot of candles also. That the battery over there just to light up the candle. And okay, and my husband have a gas for snow blowers. They have to be prepared for tomorrow. And also I have my shovel. So this is it. Right now it's beautiful outside, guys. Look at it. It's always said it's calm before the snowstorm. Look at how beautiful the world outside. This is it. And this is how crazy they are before the snow. I gotta laugh because, and people are so disgusted because they downgrade it for like, especially my husband. He's just disgusted because he's supposed to have 9 inches of snow, and I hate snow. I don't like snow. I think it's too cold, and I think you're stuck in the house just sitting watch TV. But hey, that's Mother Nature. We have nothing to do. Nothing you can do about it. So this is it, guys. This is how you prepare during the snowstorm. We have flashlight, we have snow blower, we have salt for the ice, so that way we're ready. And I have water. I have my water jug over there that really full. So okay, that's all for now that I share during preparing for a snowstorm here. So welcome to Sanko to 13. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. God bless everyone. Bye.